a few kitchens in my time, and there are 5 things that I see a lot of people doing, and if you're doing them, they're holding you back. Sounds weird, because it is. I don't know why we do it so much. Don't cut things into your hand, use a cutting board. Your hand and your body parts should be out of the way. You should never aim a knife at your body. If you're using a dull knife, like you decided to cut a roll into your hand and you have a dull knife, you're going to apply actually more force to whatever you're cutting. And because it's dull, it is more likely to slip. So the best way to stay safe is to sharpen your own knives, go get them sharpened, or even better, hone your knives. If you are frying anything, you want the humidity and the moisture escaping your food to escape. If you put a lid on, it's gonna hit the roof and come all the way back down to your food, and you have steamed food. Don't do that. If you want stir-fried food, you want it crispy, you want a little wok high on the bottom, then you should not have a lid involved. There's no lid, let the steam escape, and you'll have a really delicious meal. Preheating is important because when you put food in the oven, it starts to cook right away. If you put food in the oven and then you turn on the oven, there's all this time where it's slowly heating. And while it's slowly heating, your food is doing a number of things depending on what you're cooking. Preheat your oven, and then the recipe will go as intended. Sometimes it seems like it applies only to the people on the cooking competitions. It applies to you too. It actually will save you time if you prep your ingredients first. If you're cutting things and adding them as you go, you're at higher risk for overcooking some things and undercooking other things. You can even be super clever and prepare your ingredients the day before. Keep them in the fridge. What are some things that drive you crazy in the kitchen? Drop a comment down below and stay tuned to Lifehacker for some more tips and tricks.